इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर, बी ऑन स्टैंड बाय। हम आपके सामने वो विजुअल्स लेके आ रहे हैं जो शायद अमेरिकन ओवल ऑफिस में आपने कभी नहीं देखे होंगे। ज़ेलेंस्की और ट्रंप के बीच में बहस हुई, पत्रकारों को बाहर निकाल दिया गया। ओवल ऑफिस में ट्रंप और ज़ेलेंस्की की बहस, सीधे प्ले करिए। इस वक्त के विजुअल्स हमारे सामने आ रहे हैं। ट्रंप और ज़ेलेंस्की में तीखी बहस, पत्रकारों को बाहर निकाल दिया गया और पत्रकार ऐसा लग रहा था जिसे परेशान हो रही है, हो क्या रहा है। ओवल ऑफिस में पहली बार ऐसी तस्वीरें देखने को मिली हैं। ज़ेलेंस्की और ट्रंप के बीच में बहसबाजी हो रही है, दोनों में डिसएग्रीमेंट साफ दिखाई दे रहा है। मेरा सवाल यह है कि जॉइंट स्टेटमेंट जो आने वाला है वो आएगा कि नहीं आएगा। नाउ दैट्स अ बिग क्वेश्चन। ट्रंप और ज़ेलेंस्की में तीखी बहस हो रही है। विजुअल दिखाइए जरा यहां पर, और पत्रकारों को बाहर निकाल दिया गया। यह तब है जब अगले आधे घंटे में दोनों को जॉइंट प्रेशर, ये देखिए आमिर साहब,
president who's trying to save your country.
Please, you think that if you will speak very loudly about the war in
He's not
Texas-
speaking loudly. He's not speaking loudly. Your country's in big trouble.
Can I
Wait,
answer?
No,
Can
you've
I
done a lot of
answer?
talking. Your country is in big trouble.
I know.
You're not
I
winning.
know.
You're not winning this.
I.
You have a damn good chance of
we are
coming out
staying,
okay because of
Mr.
us.
President, we are staying in our country, staying strong from the very beginning of the war. We've been alone, and we are thankful. I said thanks
You haven't
in
been
this
alone.
cabinet,
You
and
haven't
not
been
only in
alone.
this cabinet.
We gave you, through
I
this
said
stupid
thank
president, $350 billion.
You voted
We gave
for
you
your
military
president.
equipment.
You
And
voted
you men
for
are
your
brave,
president.
but they had to use our military.
What about
If-
West?
If you didn't have
You
our
invited
military
me-
equipment.
you invited
If
me
you
to
didn't
speak.
have our military equipment, this war would have been over in 2 weeks.
In 3
okay?
days, I heard it from Putin. In 3 days, this is something
Maybe
new.
less.
In 2 weeks, of course, yes.
It's gonna be a very hard thing to do business like this. I
Again,
tell you.
just say thank you.
I said a lot of
Accept
times
that there-
thank you
accept
to
that-
American people.
Accept that there are disagreements, and let's go litigate those disagreements rather than trying to fight it out in the American media when you're wrong. We know that you're
But
wrong.
you see, I think it's good for the American people to see what's going on.
I understand, sir.
I think it's
I
very
understand.
important. That's why I kept this going so long. You have to be thankful. You don't have the
I'm
cards.
thankful.
You're buried there, your people are dying,
tell you
you're
again,
running
I
low
know.
on soldiers.
Don't-
Listen,
don't,
you're
please,
running
Mr.
low on
President.
soldiers. It would be a damn good thing.
Mr.
Then you tell us, I don't want a ceasefire, I don't want a ceasefire, I want to go, and I want this. Look, if you could get a ceasefire right now, I tell you, you take it, so the bullets stop flying and your men stop getting
Of
killed.
course, we want to stop the war.
But you're saying you don't want a ceasefire?
But I said to you,
I want a
with
ceasefire.
guarantees.
Because you get a ceasefire faster than an agreement.
Ask our people about ceasefire, what they think.
That
It
wasn't
doesn't
with
matter
me.
for you what.
That
what
wasn't
this
with me.
means. It
That was
wasn't
with
with you.
a guy named Biden, who was not a smart person. That
This
was
is your,
with- that
this
was
is
with
your
Obama.
president, it was your president.
Excuse me, that was with Obama, who gave you sheets, and I gave you javelins.
Yes.
I gave you the javelins to take out all those tanks. Obama gave you sheets. In fact, the statement is, Obama gave sheets and Trump gave javelins. You gotta be more thankful, because let me tell you, you don't have the cards. With us, you have the cards, but without us, you don't have any cards.
One more question to Mr.
Thank
Even
you.
today.
You went to Pennsylvania and campaigned for the
विजुअल्स आपके सामने आ रहे हैं। ट्रंप और ज़ेलेंस्की के बीच में बहस चल रही है, और इस बहस की जो स्टार्ट थी वो बेसिकली इससे थी कि ज़ेलेंस्की से जब ये सवाल पूछा गया, जब यूक्रेनियन रिपोर्टर ने ट्रंप से पूछा कि अगर रशिया सीज़फायर तोड़ता है तो क्या होगा, उसके बाद यही बात ज़ेलेंस्की ने बोली। फिर ट्रंप आगे बढ़ गए। ट्रंप ने कहा कि हमने तुम्हें 350 बिलियन दिए, हमने तुम्हें जैवलिन्स दिए, ओबामा ने तुम्हें कुछ नहीं दिया। ट्रंप यहां तक आगे बढ़ जाते हैं। ट्रंप ने यह भी कहा कि हम तुम्हारी मदद कर रहे हैं और तुमको हमें थैंकफुल होना चाहिए। जब बहस ज्यादा बढ़ गई तो बकायदा वाइस प्रेसिडेंट जेडी वेंस इंटरवीन करते हैं ट्रंप की साइड से। जब ट्रंप कुछ क्षणों के लिए खामोश होते, फिर ज़ेलेंस्की बैकफुट पर जाते। ये एक तरीके से देखा जाए तो यहां पर नो होल्ड बार्स पहली बार ओवल ऑफिस में दिखाई दे रहा है। दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग। ये बहुत हैरान करने वाले विजुअल्स आपके सामने आ रहे हैं।
In 2 weeks.
In 3 days, I heard it from Putin. In 3 days,